is not Sissy. This is Sissy's niece, Mia. And Mia is here with me today to play with me. Every now and then I want to play with kids. And Sissy is here. She is behind the camera. Tell everybody, hello, Sissy.
Hello, Sissy.
Okay, so today, Mia and we're here. We're going to do a review on how to make fluffy slime. And I got this recipe, of course, off of my favorite little DIY spot. My favorite little DIY spot, Pinterest. And the website that it came from is onelittleproject.com. So we're going to make some fluffy slime. The ingredients are shaving cream, foam shaving cream, baking soda, contact lens solution, acrylic paint, school glue. This is some clear, washable school glue, and water. Okay, so we're just gonna mix it up in our bowl, just like any little bowl that you find around your house that your mom really don't want. And then I have measuring cups that this is like my oldest set of measuring cups that I'm gonna use. And then I have Mia some little to-go cups. You can actually buy these at Walmart. So I tell everybody where to get everything. You can actually buy these at Walmart, and they're called snack cups. And they actually come with a little lid that goes on. Yeah, we're gonna start with 3/4 cup, which is not in here, of glue. So since of course 3/4 is not in here, what am I gonna have to do? Be creative to show Mia. Mia, can you count for me? We're gonna do this 3 times. Can you count?
1, 2.
1, 2, what? 1,
1, 2, 3.
3. All right. And then we're going to use a half a teaspoon of baking soda. And then our water is 1/4 cup of water. Then it says stir and combine together with a spoon. Just an old spoon that you don't really want. We're going to let Mia stir. Stir, don't splash, Mia. Stir it real good. And then we're going to use our acrylic paint. Mia picked peach. And actually this, even though the recipe says 1 teaspoon of acrylic paint, the recipe says use acrylic paint as needed. So you're in for our shaving cream.
Yeah, shaving cream.
Yes, shaving cream. So this is the part that Mia's been waiting on. I'm not going to put it in the cup because I don't know if it's going to make a mess. So we're just going to shake our shaving cream up. You need help?
No.
Okay, well, she got it.
Shaving cream on my hand.
Yeah. This is like totally unrehearsed. Me and Mia, we just shooting from the hip. Two tablespoons.
That's a lot of contact solution.
Yeah, it says 2 tablespoons of contact solution.
Maybe equate just ain't doing no more.
Maybe, you think that's what it is? Well, it doesn't have a brand name on here.
careful, Mia.
Okay, yeah.
Don't let it slide out there.
Stir it, Mia. We gotta stir this because we just done made a royal mess. Okay, it's getting there. There it is. Okay. Maybe we just didn't do something right. Are you ready to learn like your Oh, you already know your ABCs, right? Your alphabet, and you can count. You can count to what? What can you count to?
100.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's another video for another day. So Mia, what did you say about? What do you think about my makeup? What's missing?
Your eyebrows.
Yeah. I know. And I just don't have any eyebrows. I never have had eyebrows. I have eyebrows or eyelashes. See? Well, you have like those beautiful eyebrows and those long lashes. I don't have that. Oh, real innocence. Did you realize that it was a coronavirus?
Mm-hmm.
What is it? What happened?
I'm making some soup.
Okay, what happened with the coronavirus when you
You might be sick.
when it'll make you sick?
Yeah.
Let's pour it on here.
That's a lot.
Okay, that's a lot. Okay.
But it's not that too much though.
I can't get it to stop.
This is comedy.
That I think is, and it's still growing. Solution must contain boric acid and sodium.
Eyebrows? Mia. I
Your
got it on
auntie have
camera.
eyebrows?
How do auntie makeup look?
Uh-oh. Mia, look. There you go. Okay, so we finally got it. And we're going to here. So going back to what I said at the beginning of the video, when you're doing these projects, it is so very important that you follow directions. Because Mia and I did. I kind of like started like veering off on my own and not following directions and kind of got ahead of myself and kind of like made a mess. But then came back and figured out that they have in the notes that the slime is too sticky.
Like
add more contact lens solution.
I don't know how to make a bubble now.
So this fluffy slime,
How do I make a bubble like this?
this fluffy slime actually turns out great. Mia picked a peach color. So that's why we really don't have a color.
I want to make a bubble.
A bubble out of this? I don't know about making bubbles out of slime. So Mia, what do you think about the slime project?
Good?
Good?
Yeah, it was just good.
Huh?
Yeah, it was just good.
It was just good.
I'll try to make a bubble.
A bubble? Thank you, Mia, for coming and playing with me.
You're welcome.
Huh?
You're welcome.
You're welcome. For
No,
maybe.
I did it.
Okay. What do you think about making this project for maybe a
My hand.
birthday? A birthday party or something? Do you think it's a good project for your friends?
Mm-hmm.
A birthday party? Okay, this is kind of like the to-go. And according to the recipe, it says that the fluffiness will only last for a day. After that, it will just be regular slime. You can store it in any airtight container for about a week. So it'll last in this container for about a week But, so Mia,
I try to make a bowl.
do you want to do a memory verse? What memory verse do you know?
Huh?
You know a memory verse, a Bible verse?
To make slime.
She said to make slime. So I think that I have kind of lost her attention now, folks. It's over. No more attention. So thank you all for watching, for tuning in to Chrissy and Sissy. Make sure that you follow us on all our social media sites. And they will be where, Mia? At the bottom of the screen. Yes. All right. If you have not subscribed, please do so. And please do not forget to hit the notification bell. So everybody, bye-bye. Say until next time. Bye-bye.